This is number 15. It says to name the solids in order from the smallest volume to the largest volume, which means we got to find the volume for each of these solids. I see that this comes together at a point, which means we're going to use 1/3 the area of the base, and this is a circle, so it's going to be pi r squared is our area, times the height. So let's go ahead and plug in our information. It's 1/3 times the area of the base, pi. The radius is going to be half of this diameter, so that's going to be 12 squared, times how tall is this? 16. And we're going to throw that in our calculator. So we have pi times 12 squared times 16 divided by 3, and we're going to go ahead and get the estimated, so the approximate, and this is going to be about 2,412.7 is going to be our volume, feet cubed. Now let's go ahead and find our volume for the sphere. That's 4/3. It's going to be pi r cubed is our formula, so it's 4/3 pi. The radius is going to be half of that, which is 7, so cubed. So 4 times pi times 7 cubed, and then all that divided by 3 gives me a volume of approximately 1,436.8 feet cubed. Now let's go for our triangular pyramid. So the volume is going to be the area of the base, which in this case is a triangle, so 1/2 base times height times the height of the pyramid. So here we've got 1/2 times the base of 13 times the height of 26, and then multiplied by the height here of the pyramid, which they were kind to give us 24. And so now we're ready to go and throw that in our calculator. 0.5 times 13 times 26 times 24, and we get that the volume is 4,056 feet cubed. Now here we have a cylinder. It's a slanted cylinder, but we still have the information we need. Volume is going to be the area of the base, so pi r squared, times the height of this cylinder. So that's pi, the radius is half of that 8, so 4 squared, times the height would be 24. So we're going to do pi times 16, or 4 squared, times 24, and I'm going to get that the volume here is roughly 1,206.4 feet cubed. And finally, the volume on this last shape here is a triangular pyramid, or prism, sorry. And so the area of the base, which would be a triangle, 1/2 base times height, times the height of the prism. So here we go. We've got 1/2 times the base, which we're told is 12, times the height, which we're told is 12, times the height of the prism, which is 23. So 0.5 times 12 times 12 times 23 gives me 1,656 feet cubed. So now I'm putting these order and smallest volume to largest. Looks like our smallest volume is going to actually be this cylinder right here. So this is going to be 1. The next smallest is going to be the sphere, 2. The next smallest is going to be our triangular prism, 3. The next smallest is going to be our cone, 4. And the largest is going to be our triangular pyramid here, 5.